What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a viral and trending watermark voice and also how to create a trending watermark text style. This is going to be very useful and interesting for you, so make sure to watch the video until the end because you'll get a lot of important information throughout the video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. If you enjoy the video, please leave a lovely comment. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Open Google Chrome, go to the search bar and search for Super Smash Bros. /Ultimate Announcer AI Voice Generator. Click the first link, go to the login option. Click on Continue with Google. Log in using any of your Google accounts. Go back. Delete all the text. Write your own text. Generate it. Wait for a while, a result like this.
Hey! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Add a white background in Capcut, add text clip overlay. Find the letters of the word you want to use as a watermark. For example, I am try the word CapCut. Find the letters of CapCut. Cut the letters and bring them down. While I'm doing this, you guys please like and comment. It takes a lot of hard work to make videos. When you like and comment, it motivates us to create more videos. So don't forget to like and comment. Duplicate the letter C, then arrange them in sequence like I am doing. Delete the unused letters. Keep the background duration according to the text. Export the clip. Open a new project. Go to the beats option. Generate the beats. Open the Google Chrome browser. Click on the search icon and search for Ghastly Panic font. Open the second website. Zoom in on the website. On the right side, you will see a download option. Click on download. The font will be downloaded. Go back to CapCut. Go to the text option. Click on add text. Write your text. Go to the font section. Then go to My Fonts, add your downloaded font, click Ghastly Panic font. Go to Style and select the fourth text style, increase the size, and set the duration according to the timeline. Duplicate the text. Go to the Style section, then keep only the first letter, C. Match each letter to the beats and adjust the size of the letter according. Repeat the same process for all the letters, just I am doing. Set the duration of all the letters according to the timeline. Delete the sign word. The result will look like this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.